After Germany's defeat in World War I, the Treaty of Versailles, 1919, imposed severe military restrictions, prohibiting the country from re-establishing its air force. However, in the early 1930s, Germany secretly launched a program to reorganize and rearm the future Luftwaffe, disguising the development of new bombers under civilian projects. The Dornier Do 11, initially known as the Dornier F, was born in this context. Although officially classified as a haute transport aircraft, it was actually designed to become a heavy bomber. To conceal its true purpose, it was operated under Deutsche Lufthansa and the German railways, appearing as a regular cargo plane. Among its innovative features was the retractable landing gear, a novel idea for the time, although frequent technical issues often forced it to be left locked in a fixed position. It was powered by two Siemens Halske Esch-22B2 radial engines, each producing 659 HP, reaching a maximum speed of 259 km/h. Despite its strategic role, it was not a success. Wing vibrations and structural issues made it unpopular among pilots, leading to multiple accidents. Various improvements were attempted with the Do 11D, followed by the Do 13, but neither managed to fully resolve the aircraft's flaws. Although its operational service was short-lived, the Dornier Do 11 played a crucial role in the development of German bombers and the resurgence of the Luftwaffe. A problematic aircraft, yet one that held a significant place in the history of German military aviation.